this video, I will walk you through how to download People Also Ask Questions the quickest way. So I'm using Detailed SEO Extension, and once you install it on your Chrome browser, you will see this here. And you also see in this example, People Also Ask Questions, and then you will just select your extraction level. So when you click on any of these, new questions will pop up related to the ones that you clicked. And then, so it's the number of times you click, and it will give you the amount of time it will take. So I'll just go with the second level to show you how long that takes. So it usually takes less than 30 seconds for that. And obviously the higher you go, the more time it will take. And then there you go. And then I'll show you. So this is basically the CSV file that you will get. You see, so for example, these two questions generated these questions, and then you also have the answer that Google shows, and also you have the URLs. So I hope this helps. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below.